Okay. I'm recording this information for my own personal record. My name is Shane Thomas Wright, Jr. What's your name, ma'am?
I'm Pam Simpson, the circuit clerk for DeKalb County.
Okay, yes, ma'am. I need to know how an assault charge works.
As far as a assault on a person.
Okay, me and my daddy was jumped by 6 boys. Okay.
Okay. Yes, I know exactly what you're talking about.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So how does an assault charge work?
The officers do an incident report. They bring in the incident report or give it to the complainant. They bring it here, and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
it's looked at and interviewed, and if there's just cause, then there's a warrant issued.
Okay, yes, ma'am. We've been through all that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Michael Grant told my daddy over here that since it happened in the middle of the street and didn't happen in our yard, that we have no rights to file an assault charge.
It was sent to the city of Fort Payne for investigation.
Yes, ma'am.
Because the district attorney told me that would be the best way to handle it.
Yes, ma'am. That's not what I'm asking. I'm just asking. He told us that we have no rights to press charges since it happened in the middle of the road. It didn't happen in our yard. And I'm pre-law. From my understanding of what I've learned in school, that an assault charge is assault is assault.
Well, there are circumstances around every occasion, and that's what the investigation.
So you telling me I can go out here in the middle of this road out here, right here out here in the middle of this road, and beat one of these boys out here, and I'm not going to go to jail for it?
I'm not telling you any such thing. I'm telling you there's an investigation that was done. He got the interviews from everybody concerned.
I haven't been interviewed. My eyewitness is not interviewed. I gave the man 20, 30 phone calls and haven't received anything.
You need to go talk to him.
Oh, I'm about to. Yes, ma'am. I was told to come up here to find out how laws work. So how does I need you to explain to me how an assault charge works?
All I can tell you is what happened on that particular case.
I just need to know how an assault happens, period.
Bring us an incident report.
Got you right here.
We need more information.
I got an incident report right here.
We need more information, and on this, there was an occasion where I didn't feel comfortable with the way it was told, so I sent it, talked to the district attorney, and the district attorney said he wanted more investigation before they prosecute.
Okay, well,
So
we're
that's
getting the general attorney up here next week with our lawyer.
Mm-hmm.
He's coming up from Montgomery about this. We have got in touch with him.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't feel that we've got justice.
The only thing I can tell you is what's happened so far. It's went to the city of Fort Payne for an investigation because there was an implication of one of the deputy's sons being involved.
Yes, ma'am.
We didn't want anything said about what wasn't done right.
Okay. Now this is my other question. Right here, this boy right here dropped his wallet during the beating. This man dropped his wallet, brown leather wallet with camo, Alabama logo, owner of wallet, a Corey Dustin Powell. Now, why hasn't charges been pressed on him when he dropped his personal property right there, given to the cops with his ID in it? Now, there's nothing to investigate there. This boy jumped on my daddy and beat the hell out of my daddy. Why is he not in jail? Why hasn't been any charges pressed on this boy here that I got the proof that he was there? He dropped his wallet. We've done all the legal issues. We called the police just as soon as it happened.
I will talk to the Attorney General when they come in.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
not talking to you anymore because I am not going to put up with you and your daddy coming down here
Yes,
anymore.
ma'am. You don't have to scream at me like
I'm
this.
not, but you.
I'm not
y'all
speaking
have
to you in any
already-
kind of way. I'm not speaking you.
I have told you the investigation has been
You
done.
don't have to get in my face. You don't have to point in my
All
face.
you have to do is
You do not
wait
have to get
till
loud
the
with me,
Attorney
ma'am.
General comes in. I will talk to them, not to you.
I have
not
been
your
nothing but
daddy,
disrespect, or nothing but respectful to
the city
you.
of Fort Payne has talked to your dad and talked to the people. There's been an investigation. I was told there's going to be no warrant. That's all I know.
Okay, so how is there not going to be no warrant when me and my daddy was jumped by 6 boys? I don't understand it.
I'm
Somebody
not
explain
talking
that
to
to
you
me.
anymore.
So you're refusing to talk to me?
You can go with this deputy downstairs. I'm not talking to
You're
you anymore.
Okay, I just want you to tell me that you're
I am
refusing to
not
talk to me in a
talking
public
to you
building.
anymore. You go with
So
him.
you refuse to talk to me.
I'm through with you. Go with him.
You refuse to talk to me.
I'm telling you, I'm through.
Okay.
You go with him downstairs.
That's all I need.